Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato Ghiya soup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 4 medium-sized, ripe tomatoes and 1 small bottle gourd, also known as Ghiya. We'll also use 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and essential spices like 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder. Don't forget salt to taste, of course. Now, let's get our vegetables ready for cooking. Begin by thoroughly washing your 4 medium tomatoes and then roughly chopping them. Next, take your small bottle gourd or Ghiya, peel its skin, carefully remove any seeds, and then cut it into small, manageable pieces. These steps are crucial for ensuring that all ingredients cook evenly and contribute to a wonderfully smooth soup texture. Once prepared, set them aside. It's time to start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a pressure cooker or a deep, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and sauté it gently until it becomes fragrant, which usually takes about 30 seconds. Then, add your chopped tomatoes, Ghiya pieces, and all the dry spices. Stir everything well and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, letting those wonderful flavors combine. To finish our delicious soup, add 2 cups of water to the pot. If using a pressure cooker, cook for 3 whistles or until the vegetables are very soft. If using a regular pot, simmer until tender. Once cooked, let the pressure release naturally, then blend the mixture until it's wonderfully smooth. Taste and adjust the seasoning with more salt if needed, and perhaps a pinch of black pepper. Serve your warm, comforting tomato Ghiya soup immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.